Hey guys, this is Tom from YTX Tutorials. Welcome to another video of my recording software series. Today I'm gonna introduce you the software Bandicam. Now to the functions of Bandicam. With Bandicam you can record either the screen or games. You can choose if you record video only, video plus sound, and with that feature you can choose to record multiple soundtracks. You can also choose a custom project folder, and Bandicam is very easy to use. It costs about 33 euros, but in the trial version you can also record videos but with a Bandicam watermark, I think. With Bandicam you can also show your FPS like in frames. You can choose between different video and sound codecs. You have a few options for capture settings. You can choose to limit your FPS while recording, and it allows you to make screenshots. So now let's take a look at the program. This is Bandicam. Here's the general area of it. Here we can choose our output folder, as you can see. Here in the advanced settings there is some general stuff which you have to choose for yourself. As you can see, that's pretty easy things to set up. And the output settings, I really like these settings. I tried them out and they work good for myself. You have to try out if you don't like them, but I would suggest to use these settings. So the hooking, these are all standard settings. I would also suggest to don't change this. There's the language and there is the other settings. We can choose the video record, video format, and autocomplete recording. But we can get to these menus in the different other settings. We will see this in a moment. So here are the autocomplete recording settings. This is disabled. Autocomplete means the video recording stops automatically either by a given time limit or by a size limit. We don't need this, so we choose for ourselves when we want to stop our recording. Now we get to the next section, the video section. Here's our recording hotkey. This is F10 for me because I use F9 with reps. You can hide your cursor, do some other stuff. Here are the recording settings. So I also use this setting, would suggest to use it. This is optional. With this feature logo, you can add your own watermark to your videos. There is already a sample watermark from Bandicam. It's in this location. You can look at it and make a similar watermark of your own. Now to the sound settings. As I said, you can choose to record sound too, plus the video. You have to check this box, record sound. You can either record to the main video and sound file and external wave file of the sound, but you can also extract it afterwards in an editing program like Sony Vegas or Pinnacle Studio. And here's what I told you before, that you can choose to record with multiple sound devices. Because I'm only recording my screen, I have chosen here that I only use my microphone and disable the secondary device. This means when I play a game now and record with Bandicam, I won't get an in-game sound. For that feature, I would suggest to change here to Win7 sound, and here you can either choose to disable this and here take Win7 sound. This should record your microphone and the in-game sound. Or a better alternative, you choose to record your microphone and your Win7 sound, so you have multiple sound tracks. Okay, now here are the video format. This is pretty important. For myself, I choose to record at 1080p because I just like them, but there are some predefined settings, like can't find them right now, but here you can choose 720p or some custom settings. I choose 60 FPS because, like I said in the video from Preps, it's enough for everything. 40 to 60 FPS is really fine. I choose this codec. This is a really good codec for nearly lossless recording. And the audio recording, I have chosen stereo, 48,000 Hz, and the codec PCM. Just I had some problems with the standard codec, so I have chosen to use the PCM codec for my audio. So now here the image. As I mentioned in my presentation, you can make screenshots like with Fraps. And here in the About area, you can search for updates, or there's a link for a FAQ where you have a link to the Bandicam website. I won't show you this right now because there are my license settings and so on. So what I haven't showed you, how to record with Bandicam. You can record different things, for example the screen or in games. You have to press target here if you want to record something on the screen. Choose rectangle on the screen. Then you press here and can choose the target and then just press record or press a recording button. If you want to record a game or a window, then choose here DirectX OpenGL window and then just start up your game, and the name of the game will most of the times appear here, and you can press record, and that was it. Now as we have changed here from rectangle on screen to DirectX, there's another feature, the FPS feature, as I mentioned. Now you can show your FPS on your screen. Okay guys, that was it from Bandicam. Let's get for a summary to the presentation. As you can see, there's a lot of pros here. There is no con, because this only red marked thing is that Bandicam is no freeware, but Bandicam is really worth every cent. I also use Bandicam and I like it like Fraps. That's my main recording programs. So if you like the video, maybe give me a thumbs up or subscribe for more free content, and thanks for watching.